All right, so here's what we're dealing with. This hinge is really wobbly and it doesn't hold the door well. So what we're going to do is going to fix it. First, I'm going to pop the door up a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't move on me. Then we're going to take these screws out. You can see that one has no bite into the wood whatsoever. And then in order to fix this, what you want to do is you want to create wood back in there. Now there's several ways to do this. What I'm going to do is just push some splinters of wood in there and break them off. And what that will do is it will give us the ability to put loose screws in through those holes because they will now be plugged nice and firmly. This is where you always run into problems, is that you've stripped the screws out. The trick here is to push this stuff in there nice and good, and then just make sure that it's flat, and now you have a nice hole to work from. I took these off a piece of some old firewood and just snapped them off. So the idea here is just to stack these full of splinters. There we go. Now all three of those are full of splinters. Let's see if I can get you a little bit closer so you can see it. You can see that one, and that one. It looks like someone tried to fix this once before by using a different hinge, but they stripped them out in both cases. So what I've done now is plug those holes. So now let's reattach the hinge to the door frame. We're going to use screws that they had in there. I'm basically going to make sure that this is as you can see now, that grabs and bites really well. Those go in nice and tight. Giving us the wood jammed in. All right. There we go. Now the door closes perfectly. No longer rubs, no longer wiggles. This is how I fix door jambs that are broken. Just make sure that they're plugged really well. Use some good hard splintered wood. Firewood works really well because there's lots of splinters on it. You can just break them off. But you could also get some hardwood stuff from a store and just fracture it somehow, break it off or something. Anyway, hope this helps. We'll see you in the next video.